Name of the car. Land Rover? Ford? No. Nissan. Hello and welcome back to another episode. Today what we're actually going to do is try and tackle some of the rust on the car. A problem which I've probably had since I bought the thing, although it's never amounted to anything major, but it is something that I'm going to have to sort of deal with. One of the issues is the quarter panel, which I did send away and have that metal cut out and repaired, although it was then returned to me with more problems to sort anyway, which it's not about naming and shaming. It was just an issue that I still got to sort, and then taking my side skirts off the car, and then underneath that at the back there is some rust coming through. Again, like I said, hopefully fingers crossed nothing major, but we are going to get that sorted with some of the kit that I've bought, so I'll go over that now. Okay, this is the kit that I've bought. I bought it from a company called Rustbuster. I actually had this idea from another channel called Road and Race, and for the purpose of this video is plenty, and hopefully moving forward it will do most of what I need, if not the whole underside of the car. This is the section I'm going to be hitting today. I'm just going to concentrate on this area here. Whoop, that's not a good sign. So after all of that, this is what I'm left with. Do you know when you start a job and you wish you hadn't started? So it's going to give me a good opportunity to convert the rust inside, so not the end of the world. So I'm going to start treating that and the sill, and then I'm going to do a repair over this piece here. Just looking at the other side, and it looks like it's starting to go as well, so I'm going to just take this off, but hopefully this side's okay. So I'm going to treat all this, take some of this back in here, but she good for treating. She bad for treating. I'm missing something here. I don't know if I'm being stupid, but that's the old one, and that one was from a different company. So the white piece is the new one. This doesn't go all the way underneath like that one does. So, and obviously this is the original. Just doesn't seem right to me. overall, I'm not that impressed, but I can work with it. So once that's bolted in on the inside, that will tuck in. So I'll have to do a bit of work here to fill the gap. That can move forward anyway. I want to put these on by themselves. I have got these side skirts, which I'll make them all one piece between that and the skirt itself, and then that will act like a support for it. But the ones that I originally had were so much better because they actually went in and bolted to the car. These are cheap, but I can work with it. So next what I'm going to do is I've drilled the holes. I'm going to take these clips out and put my own hardware in. This is why I can't film on the drive. So this is the hardware that I've got. That bit goes in there, and then these are blue for a reason. I'll give you a bit of a clue of what colour I'm going.